Morning.
Oh, morning, sorry.
We're just in Hamburg. Just had a breakfast on the ship before we disembarked. It's Sunday, so there's not much open in Hamburg on a Sunday apart from like museums and things. All the shops still shut apparently. So I think it's about half an hour, 40-minute walk into the centre. So we're gonna have a mosey.
Yeah.
Apparently there's quite a cool tunnel that you walk through, so we're going to try and find that and then see what there is in the city centre. We've got a free walking guided tour booked at 11 o'clock, one that we found online. We haven't really got any other plans, we just have lunch somewhere. We haven't got to be back on the ship till about 8 o'clock tonight or something. So
Yeah, I think it said all on board at 8:30.
Yeah. So
you do get plenty of time here.
Yeah. Full day to explore. Let's go see. Yeah. Really old. I'm on the cycle here. So there's the ship, and we basically walked all the way down there through the tunnel and then up by the Essen Bahn station, and town is just up there. It's like all the boat trips go from this area by the looks of it. You pair doing?
Hi.
We're a bit early for the tour, so he's just said like come in and have a look inside the town hall. It's a nice building.
Yeah, it's Sunday in Germany is like that. But tomorrow you want to do some fancy shopping and you want to buy presents to your family, to your friends, and you like them a lot, you go to that area. Neuerwahl, everything here is going to be really fancy stuff. If you don't like your family or friends so much, you go here. It's cheaper, okay? Just to keep in mind. Everybody else who wants stand, you can stand. One person, okay? The first one when sits and then everybody sits, you know, it's like the first barrier, you know? It's the same with the last piece of nice colors today. That's the Elbphilharmonie, the new landmark of the city, and on the other side you see these brick buildings. Remember what happened with the Franzbrötchen? That Napoleon was here and he destroys the Holy Roman Empire. All these German states are loose now.
So just finished our tour. It was just over 2 hours. Started at 11 o'clock outside the town hall and it finished just after 1. It's a free walking tour, but you just pay what you think at the end. Well worth doing, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, he told us all about the history of the port, how the city basically was burnt down and rebuilt, and then obviously all the bombing during the Second World War. Explained it all to us.
Very interesting.
Yeah, pointing out lots of things, didn't he?
Yeah.
Very worth doing. You have to book it online before you go. There was some spaces available for some people that just turned up at the end, but it's free to book. So yeah, we're just going to head towards the central station now. And
it's Sunday, so everything's shut in Germany. They all shut down on a Sunday. The only places that the shops are allowed to be open are those attached to a port, like place of transport.
yeah,
And there is shops at the train station, so we're just going to have a nosy there.
yeah, we're going to get some lunch and have a look at the train station.
Ich habe nicht gesagt, dass es verboten ist, sondern ich habe gesagt, wenn du dich erwischt.
So we just went to the central train station, and it was like a 50-minute walk back to the tunnel. So we got on a S-Bahn. There was only €2 each, 3 stops, and took you basically right to the tunnel. So now we're just walking back to the ship. Should be about 15-20 minutes from here.
Yeah, well, it's half an hour on the line.
Yeah, cool. Going to be busy. Morning.
Morning.
So we docked in Rotterdam this morning at, I think we got onto the dock about 8 o'clock. We were off the ship by about 8:15, weren't we?
Yeah.
5-minute walk to the metro station in Rotterdam. That was to the Rotterdam Central train station. Got on a intercity train. There was loads of them, weren't they, coming to Amsterdam?
Yeah.
So took about 40 minutes, and then Amsterdam Central. We're bang in the centre now. It's 9:45, so it took us an hour and a half basically from getting off the ship, hadn't it?
Yeah, we had a bit of delay because the first train we went on was cancelled.
Yeah, we couldn't figure out why. Apparently there was some accidents, so that train wasn't leaving, but we just got on a few platforms down and that went. So, but yeah, here we are in Amsterdam, city of bikes.
Yeah, there's loads of them.
We came here before, didn't we? I've never seen so many bikes. It was like every bit of railing was chained with bikes last time. So yeah, we did obviously have the option of staying in Rotterdam today, but
Smell
weed then, yeah. Just a big whiff of weed. Yeah, we had the option of staying in Rotterdam, but we decided we liked Amsterdam last time we came and felt like we needed to see a couple more things. Plus we like the street food, don't we?
Yes.
So we'll head off into the city now and see what we can find.
See you later.
So if you come to the Rijksmuseum without a reservation, head through the arch to the square, and there's a little museum shop, and you can buy the tickets there. €22.50, €22.50 they are, and then you get back in the line just under the arch. So we've seen all the paintings that we wanted to see in the Rijksmuseum. We only spent about an hour and 15 minutes there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Just did the highlights. We've only got a day here, so it's coming up to lunchtime now. So we're going to one of the many Febo's dotted around the city.
Hope it's open.
Yeah, Febo, they're basically like your vending machine shops. It's a bit weird, like I'll show you now as we go in. But yeah, they do all like snacks, hot snacks and things. And then we've got the market just back where we've just come from a little bit. They sell like all your waffles and things that we want to try as well. So yeah, Febo for lunch, just across the road here.
Stroop waffle for dessert.
Yeah. We got, what's that?
I don't know.
Flat pastry filled with hot cheese. What's that one? That's got ragu in it or something. Should we try one of them?
Yeah.
Can you pay on card? And then one of these. Oh well, at least we got the satisfaction of taking them out even though the card thing isn't working. So yeah. But this is like a cheese pastry thing, and this is a beef croquette.
It's just melted cheese and breadcrumbs. It's quite tasty.
And now the croquette.
Eat your off first and then I'll eat mine. Not mine. Nice.
So this market's good for street food. What's it called? Albert Street or something. Albert Cup Market. So here we have the bitter ball. and the fries with mayo.
I was originally sat next to them. Hot.
Everything's roasting, he's just cooked it all fresh. His better balls are lovely.
These were so nice last time we came. Made fresh. Are we getting a big one or a small one?
What do you think?
The big was too much, wasn't it, last time?
You work in China. The real deal. Otherwise he's dying. I don't want to have that on my conscience. Chocolate. Chocolate. Good choice. Chocolate. Chocolate. How do you say chocolate?
Can I have one chocolate, please?
You speak Dutch, mate. Where can I go to sit? On the floor. That's the only place.
Nibbles.
Hi, welcome. What did you order?
2 caramel and 1 chocolate.
2 originals and 1 chocolate. Nice. The first original. Very hot. All this vlak omhoog. And 2 originals, was it that? Yeah. And 1 original with a half chocolate. Here it's coming. The syrup comes first between. The other half. Oh. Let's just slice it. Comes on top. And now you get the chocolate on half.
Dit is de landmark. Dit is de landmark.
Do you know where to start?
You said that and go to the chocolate.
How do you know that? This is professional. Super, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know it.
Bye!
Enjoy.
It's good?
Very, very good.
Hot?
Yeah, very.
That's it. Heading back to the train station now. Gonna head back to Rotterdam where the ship is. Have a little mooch around, see what's around the station there. So yeah, had a good day.
Yeah, we have. It's been nice.
We haven't done a great deal, but we've had the foods that we wanted.
Yeah, done the museum that was the main reason we came back.
Yeah.
Because we didn't get to do it last time. I've not been killed by a bicycle, so that's a bonus.
Yeah, train station's just there. See you in Rotterdam. Quick pint on the way back. Nice little pub on a street. Complete with dogs.